Heyo, it's Abby, and I guess I only make videos when I have updates. We'll get back to the tutorials and crafting and basics. But today I poured 2-part resin for the first time in forever, and we're ready to start popping them out of the molds. It took over 48 hours to cure these guys because it's cold. And if you're wondering what these are for, sorry, all my announcements are last minute. We're gonna have a little cafe called Lorien's Cafe, where you can customize your own shaker charms with me and my gang. Is that a little easier to see? This is my first time mixing 2-part resin in forever. You know what? I am happy with how it turned out. Let's keep demolding. I will keep talking. So, as you see, I have a bunch of resin shakers here, and I have so many shaker fillings, guys. You are going to want to come to our cafe opening and get your own custom shaker. You can choose your fillings, you can choose your toppings. Like I said, it's Cafe Lorien. Our theme and concept is we're a little cafe where you can customize your own little treats. These bases that I'm showing you right now are the bigger ones. We're gonna have a few different sizes. This is our first update and first cafe opening, so we went a little simple, but we have some very, very pretty pieces. I am so delighted with this Abby colored piece. This is an original glitter mix in here. I mixed all the colors and it turned out so good. I'm so happy. I was so nervous, guys. You cannot even imagine. Here's the next one, little key. The shaker part's a little bit smaller, but this is gonna be such a cute charm. This is one of the pieces that I was worried about. Let's see how it turned out. Ooh. I think I will dome the back a little bit, but it looks pretty good to me. We could put some colored resin in there for buttons. It's quite glittery, isn't it? I'm pretty happy with that. Very glittery. And then our cute little egg pet. I'm happy with how the colors turned out on these. Let's see how the glitter looks. Oh, you know what? That looks pretty cool. And then this one I popped out yesterday, but it still wasn't fully cured. It is now, and it's looking great. That is such a pretty color combo, if I do say so myself. Let's just pop the rest of these out. You've heard enough of my yapping. If you are a cat person, come to our cafe opening. These are going to be like our pouch streams over on Lorien's Toy Box. If you don't know about those, come visit us over there where you can make your own custom gotcha pouch. But over here at Cafe Lorien, we're going to focus more on the handmade, crafty stuff, things you can customize, and we're just going to have a fun time together. All these colors are so pretty. First heart. I made this one rainbow. Isn't it pretty? I can't tell if my camera's in focus or not. The lighting's weird. I am just so relieved that they all cured so nicely. If you are not a channel member, please consider becoming one because we have discounts for channel members, we have perks and fun things. Okay, that one's gonna need to be sanded down, but looking pretty good. Third heart. These come out of the mold quite nicely. I think it's a 3-color gradient. This was like a teal, yellow, orange, pink kind of situation, maybe 4 colors. Very nice. Just looking down, look at all the pretty glittery colors. I love it. Finally, let's demold the stars. Is it demold or unmold? It's demold, right? There's that one. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, we have butterflies too. Love it. I think everyone's going to be able to find something that they like. Oh, butterfly. And butterfly. We just have different color palettes. I am so happy with these. I hope you guys will come to the cafe even just to like check things out and take a look around and hang out with us. It'll be very soon after this video goes up. I just wanted to showcase what we have and get you guys hyped because we're all very excited and we hope to see you there. Let me know which base is looking the best to you so far, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!